Hi, I'm Lauren with Alliance Concrete Pumps. Welcome back to Tech Tip Tuesday. Our pumps are mounted on trucks that have modern diesel engines, and these engines rely on ultra-low sulfur diesel and lubricants that are pretty specialized. We'd like you to get familiar with the requirements through your OEM, be it a Packer engine like this one, or your Mack engines, Cummins, or Detroit. Oil change intervals are something that is set by the OEM. We'd kind of like to see these changed a little more often rather than letting them go longer because our conditions are very harsh. 700 hours for the bigger engines and 500 for the smaller engines isn't such a bad idea. With the hood open, you can check your oil, the yellow marked dipstick here, and you can gain access to other fluids, power steering, washer, radiator, onward. Cab overs are a little bit different, but everything's accessible.